this thing, right? We look up for platform and brand.
Yes, ma'am.
Brand also you were able to get. Okay, let's see for primary category. Okay,
Ma'am, in brand, ma'am,
uh-huh.
we will start equals. AFI means we should give the product ID only, ma'am.
Wait, I'll show you. Okay, so what is VLOOKUP function will start VLOOKUP formula is it will take 4 arguments. Okay, so first thing is what we are looking for. Okay, in this we are looking for this is the product ID, because in the brand, if I go here, the brand information is in the brand category mapping table, right? In this only, as you can see, I can use product ID to find the brand name, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will give here. So here what I'm looking for product ID in which table array. I'll give it as this one. Okay, the whole table I will give. Okay, whole table I will give here. Okay, and then I'll fix this. Okay, this is the second argument. In this whole table, I'm looking for the what is the column index column, where is this column? Brand column is available in this table
Second.
in the second column, right? So I will put second 2. Okay, this is the column index. Now we are looking for exact match. What is the exact match? So we are using false. Okay, and then if I close it, you will get the brand name according to your product ID. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll look for primary category also. Primary category, the same formula, because it's in the same table, but in the third column, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will do VLOOKUP. We are looking for product ID in the table. If I give the table FNF4, comma, the third column, I'm looking for exact match. So false. Then close it. You will get the primary category as well. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but I'm doing the brand, ma'am. In some values, I am getting NA, ma'am.
Can you share your screen? Because there is no NA in my list.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't lock the cells, ma'am. So only I didn't get, ma'am. Now I did, ma'am. Ma'am, you are on mute, ma'am.
So sorry, I was talking on mute. So that's a reason when you double click, when you are fill handling it, this table dynamic is also changing. Even it is moving downwards. So if I don't fix this, right? So if I'll show you once. FNF4. So if I don't fix it, the table, as you can see, the table dynamic changes. It is A4 to C45. So it is changing. That's why you're getting an error. Okay. If you fix it, it will work.
Yes.
Okay. Fn F4. Sorry. So yeah, now it will work. Now let's see how can we automate it. Okay, so for example, over here we need to find the name. So in the details you have the name column, the average price column, the rating, and the quantity, right? This is what we are trying to put over here. That is name, average, then quantity, rating, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So over here, I need to automate it. Okay, if I want to automate it without every time I need to go back to the table, count the column number and give the column number here. Okay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I have to go back here. So for this, if I just Z, so for this, if I want to VLOOKUP for product ID, in which table? This table. The whole table I have to select and fix it, comma, and I need to count the number of columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th column, and then I have to give exact match, and if I click on this I will get the name. So if I move it towards left, it is not helping me out. Okay, so here I have to give I have to do the same thing again and again. How can we automate it? How can we automate it? Is using match function. Okay,
Okay.
match function. So we are looking for, we can give what we are looking up for, name over here, right? Name, right? Name, column name, because we are looking for the column name over here, right? Column name, and then the lookup array would be my column names in this, right?
Ma'am, I didn't get, ma'am.
So let me just go back. Okay, I'll remove this. So over here, and so I have to automate it. Okay, I don't need to go back and count the column number every time, right? So we are finding for column names number over here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, and 5. Right? These numbers I'm trying to find it, right? So I use match function. Okay, match function will return the column number. Okay, so I'm looking for what name? Name of the column. That is the column name. I'm looking for column name, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In the lookup array will give you the, I will give the all list of my column names in my other table. In the other table, I'm giving the list of the column names. Okay, then I'll fix it. Comma, match is exact match. Okay, exact match I will give over here. As you can see, the number has been returned. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Now, if I move it towards right, don't you think I will get the column names, column numbers, without me going back and typing it again and again?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's automate it, okay? So we look up.
Ma'am, but after 5, 6 should be there, no, ma'am? After 5, average price should be 6, no, ma'am?
Average price in this table, it is in the fourth place.
Okay, ma'am.
It is in the fourth place, right? So it is giving me 4. The quantity is in second place.
Okay, ma'am.
It has given me the second place. The rating is in third place. So it has given me 3 over here.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Confusion? So here I'm trying to find the column numbers, the number of each columns. So this is in the 5th column in this table.
Okay, ma'am.
To find that, I use match function. How you used to use find function in the text? Remember? Find function in the text, right, left.
Yes, ma'am.
Like that only for VLOOK, we have match function. Similar. Okay. Now, we are looking for names. So I will use VLOOKUP. What we are looking for? Product ID. I will fix the column. I'll fix the column. Okay. So the row keeps changing. The row keeps changing. So if I move it towards left also, the column will be fixed. So that, and then I will give the table array. This would be my table array. To F4. Now for the column number, I will use match function. Match function, inside the match function, first thing is lookup value is for name, comma, and the lookup array is this values and F4, comma, exact match. Okay, exact match, close it, and exact match too. So here I get the names. I have just used same formula which I used in top of here. I've used it over here. Okay, no confusions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so if I will fix the row over here for this F and F4. So if I move it towards downwards, it is fixed. Now if I move it towards the left, also I will get the exact values for each and everything. Let me just show you why I'm fixing A over here. Okay, in this table. Okay, so why I'm fixing A here, right? So when I move it, if I don't fix A, yes, I will get the correct answer over here. No issues. So if I move it towards right, so anyways, I have automated this. So if I move it towards right, so it will give me NA over here because the column has been moved to B5.
Okay.
So that's the reason. Why didn't I fix the rows is, why didn't I fix the rows is, I mean the rows number is, so if I move it towards downwards, it keeps the, I want the rows to keep changing. So because I can move it downwards. So if I move it towards left, so that's the reason I fixed the arrow.
Okay.
I fixed the arrow.
But
Yeah.
yet in match inside consolidation, ma'am, F4 we have only 4 we have fixed, no, ma'am.
Here. Where here?
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
Here, 1 second, let me just check. This one. Why did I fix that for? Wait, I'll show you that as well. So here, right? So here, I want that row to be fixed. So if I keep it not fixed, if I don't fix it, so if I enter it, if I move it downwards, it keeps changing. It will give me an error.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's a reason I will fix both. If I fix both, what will happen? I'll show you that as well. So it will give me the correct answer over here. Okay. Now if I move it towards left, it is still showing the name only. It is giving me still the name. Why? Because this is fixed. I have fixed both the ways. So if I fix only the row, because I don't want the row to be changing. I want the row to be fixed. The column has to be changed.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
So I will now over here. I will not fix the column. I will fix the row. So if I move it towards the right, so it has given me average value. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a moment. Understood match function?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood the why we are using like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have to find class and discount. Class is over here and discount is over here. Discount I will take it in the next this page. Okay, so let's see for class over here. Okay, so in this class column there is only two things, that is rating and class. So I need to consolidate this data. Okay, I need to consolidate now. So if I have to VLOOKUP, so we are looking for rating values over here, because in this class only rate and class is there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm looking for rating. Okay, that is H5, comma, in the table, this is the table, F and F4, comma, column index is 2. Now, one thing I need to remember is, if I give exact match, it will look for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But as you can see in the rating over here, there is 2.1, 2.0, right? We can't use exact match over here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's a reason we use approximate match. It will find the nearest value and will match it. So here, as you can see, it has given silver to 2.8 rating. Because it's near 2, it has given silver rating. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
I count downwards. See. Without us typing it manually, it has given us all the values. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so this is in this page. I have sent you the new page. Okay, Open that page. For the last column, I will show you in this page. Okay. In this index match. Let's open this. Okay. So VLOOKUP is also coming with an what you call limitation. It also has a limitation. I'll tell you what is the limitation. 1 minute. Let me just open that sheet. Why it is. This was the value. Right. So we have over here. So each discount price, we need to find it for each platform. Okay. Platform, this is the platform's values we have, and also we have for the class we have, right? So each class, according to their platform, we are giving the discount for them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So eBay and silver is getting 38% 32% discount, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Even so now how do we get it? So in this we cannot look for multiple rows and columns, right? Will only look in the column number wise. So if I use VLOOK function over here, so we look forward. So if I say eBay, we look up value for eBay, and the table array is this. F4, comma, and the column index is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exact match. So it will give you the NA value because it is not giving us the correct answer at all, right? Because we cannot use VLOOKUP function here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now that's a reason we have something called index function. Okay, in this index function, we can give row number and column number. So in this whole table, I'm looking for which column number, which row number. So what is the row number here? The class is silver, right? 1, 2, 3. So, sorry, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, ma'am.
4. The first also is also a row, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, right? Comma. And the column number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the, so we need to fix this. Fn F4, Fn F4. Okay. So if I do that, I will get the correct 32%. This 32% only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? That is the reason we use index. When we have multiple things to take care, then we can use index. Let us automate it. Okay. How can we automate it? Using match function. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we need to get column name and column number and row number. So let's find it. Okay, I have created 2 rows over here. So first, let's use match for getting the row number. Okay, match. What we are getting in the rows, we are getting the class. So we are looking for silver. Comma, lookup array is this one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In this row, in these rows, I need to find silver. So I will fix it. Now, exact match, yes. It is exact match. So if I go here, it will give me the row number. Similar way, I will look for column number. Again, I will use match. Match, we need to match for eBay, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
the lookup array is this FNF4, comma, exact match, yes. So it will give me the row number and column number. So let us use this here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The same formula. I will copy paste the formula 1 minute. So okay. We need to fix this first. No need. Anyways, we are going downwards. Only one row, right? So no problem. So so if I double click on it, it has given me all the values. Now, why there is an error? Let's see. Okay. Let's see why there is an error. So let's apply filter. Why we are getting an error over here? So let's apply a filter on the selected value. So it is giving me NA because the platform over here is offline. So offline information was not given in the table. That's why it is giving NA for us, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now what we can do is we can use if error. I can use if error to remove the error, right? It is not error. So if error, I can use, I will tell will be updated later. I put that and close it. So, right?
Yes.
Understood? Any confusions?
No, ma'am.
So it might get little confusing when just look at this formula like this. But if you break down and try to understand, you will be able to do it by yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. It looks very scary, but it is not. Okay. So it might get little difficult when you're doing it alone. I will give you one more assignment today for VLOOKUP because I'm creating these assignment by myself. I'm taking little time to create for VLOOKUP, okay? Because the most of the things I have taught you over here only. For the exercise, I need to give little bit complicated, more than this, right? So I will, by the end of today, you will get VLOOKUP assignment, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any confusion in VLOOKUP?
No, ma'am.
Okay. One more thing I wanted to teach today. But I have another class right now. So I will take up this in the tomorrow's class. Tomorrow we can wind up Excel.
Ma'am, you told that you will send the answers, key answers.
Answer sheet, answer for your this thing, right? Python.
No, ma'am.
Which one?
For Excel, ma'am.
Which
For
Excel?
Python also you told, ma'am.
Python also I will send it to you by today. I was preparing that only. I will send it by today. Okay. I have to run few things and I will send it today. Okay, all your answers. Which answer you want? The assignment one, this one. I will give you all the solutions till when we have done. No, all the solutions you will get by today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. We can wind up the class for today. Okay, Vidya. If try will give you the assignment by tomorrow for VLOOKUP. Try to do it by yourself for index. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Vidya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a great day.